Subaru Forester 2003 to 2008. To remove the clock spring, you first need to remove the airbag. Disconnect the battery before starting work on the airbag. To remove the airbag from the steering wheel, unscrew the two bolts, one on the left side and one on the right side. After that, disconnect the two connectors and the ground wire from the back. To disconnect the connectors, use a screwdriver to pry up the yellow locking tabs. Once the airbag is removed, unscrew the 17mm steering wheel nut, then remove the steering wheel with both hands. Next, disconnect the connectors from the clock spring. After disconnecting them, unscrew the 4 Phillips screws holding the clock spring. Finally, disconnect the bottom two connectors located right under the steering column. To get to them, you will need to remove the plastic trim panel under the steering column.